everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign a Google Calendars. Now let's get started. First, open your Google Calendar apps, and then in here at the menu, you can add the calendars. You can click on the three lines icon at the top, and after this, you can click on the refresh this one. You can click on it, and you can waiting until the process has been saved. And now finish. So that's how to sign a Google Calendars. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.